Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today, and I really hope you are ready for another powerful and real trading session, because today we are continuing our challenge journey, and this is something you should not miss if you are serious about learning automated trading. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and press the notification bell so you never miss any update from this challenge. Because every single day we are showing real trading, real execution, and real results, not just talking, but actually doing it live. So guys, today we are trading on DBot platform on Deriv. And yes, we have strong experience in this field. We have tested multiple strategies. We have spent time understanding the system. And now we are showing you exactly how it performs in real market conditions step by step. This is challenge day 3, and I welcome all of you to this journey, especially those who have been following from day 1, because you already know how we started and how we are growing step by step. Today we are started with approximately $156, and this is because on day 2 we grew the account from $100 up to around $156, and this is exactly what consistency looks like. Not big risky jumps, but controlled growth over time. And today, we're going to grow this account even more, and you will see how the system works again in real conditions. Now understand this clearly. If we are making money step by step using a structured system, then it is not something impossible. It means with the right system and the right approach, you can also learn and build your own results over time. If you're interested, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. And if WhatsApp is not available for you, then you can contact us on Telegram. We respond quickly and guide you step by step, so you understand everything clearly before starting. Now, let's talk about something important. Right now, the world situation is unstable because of wars, economic pressure, rising expenses, and uncertainty in jobs, and rely on only one source of income is becoming risky day by day. You must have another way to earn, something that can support you, something that is not dependent on a single job or a fixed salary. And trading, when done properly, can be one of those options. But here is the truth. Manual trading is difficult for most people, not because the market is impossible, but because people cannot control their emotions. Greed makes them overtrade. Fear makes them exit early, and impatience leads to bad decisions. But here, everything is automated. There are no emotional decisions, no panic entries, no random exits. Only logic, only system, only predefined strategy. And that is what creates consistency over time. Also remember, this is not our first challenge. We have already completed a challenge where we turned $5,000 into $20,000. And yes, we made withdrawals. And you can watch that foolproof on our YouTube channel. Everything is there, transparent and clear. Now let's start today's session. As you can see, our bot is ready. But before starting, we follow a process. We don't just run it blindly. First, we check predictions, we analyze the market conditions, and then we move to Deriv Bot, where we start the bot with our strategy. We select volatility 51s, and then we apply all the settings according to our tested system. As you can see, our stop loss is approximately $25, and our take profit is around $40. And everything is calculated based on risk management. Nothing is random here. We have already analyzed this market before, and that is why we are using these settings. And now, as you can see clearly, the bot is running. Trades are executing automatically, and this is where the power of automation comes in. You don't need to sit and click again and again. The system does the work for you. Success is not about luck. It is about taking action at the right time. Many people keep watching videos, keep thinking, keep waiting, but they never start, and that is why they stay in the same situation. But those who take action, even small action, they move forward step by step. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need the right system and the willingness to learn, because nobody starts as an expert. Every expert was once a beginner who decided to start. Now make sure you visit our website. You can see the domain in the video. Because our goal is simple. We want people to start earning with proper guidance, not blindly, but with understanding. Many people are already working with us. Many people are already learning and progressing step by step. And we have completed many challenges. All videos are available on the channel. So go and watch them and understand how consistency is built. Now let's announce today's results. Our bot executed 117 trades. Out of these, 109 trades were won, and only 8 trades were lost, and we made around $40 from just $156. This clearly shows how a structured system performs when everything is executed properly. And remember, this is just day 3. As our balance increases, our earning potential also increases. But the process remains the same, disciplined and structured. Challenge day 3 completed, and we made profit. And as you can see, we are trading on a real account. The bot is still running. This is not demo. This is real execution. Our bot works through API integration, which helps control trades and prevents multiple consecutive losses. And that is why the system remains stable. Now, the decision is yours. If you are serious, if you want to build something step by step, then take action, get the bot. Start your journey and message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. We will guide you properly. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the notification bell. We will continue this journey together,